Today we are going to build ourselves a mechanical keyboard, and I've purchased a lot of parts from different places, and yeah, let's just jump into it. And I'll also go over the prices, so we can take this one first. Norwegian site, $30. I'm just converting roughly here, not exactly. So $30 for the cable, and this is if I can open it. Okay, these are the key caps, and I went for a sort of a retro look, and I actually opened, and all of them were flipped. They were all the correct way before I started messing with it. This was, I think, $60-$70, so we can round it up to 100. And then we have this box. This is switches. These are Gatron brown switches, 70, and I have 64 keys on the keyboard. So brown, I like the sound, satisfying. Gatron brown, I think I paid $30-$40. So let's say we are at 140. And the last one is the keyboard itself. It's from China. I purchased it on Alibaba. So you can see here, that's the number AC064 DIY keyboard kit. And I've opened it up already, and you get some instructions. I don't think some I think it's preset with some program that it's just plug and play, almost plug and play. It's aluminium, it's really heavy, maybe it's steel, and I got tricked. Everything was like you see it here, stabilizers, and everything is assembled for you. You don't need to solder or anything, and I think it's just to actually insert the switch here. I was prepared to solder and do a little bit of DIY myself. But if it's as easy as just plugging this in, it will be a dream. And let me see, it's battery powered. So here you got all of the LEDs. The power button is on the back side here, and it's a really nice finish, and it's feeling like it's good quality because of the weight. Maybe they've added some weights in the bottom, I don't know, but I'm pretty happy with it. It also comes with some tools, keycap, puller, and the receiver that you have to plug into your computer. If you have to, I don't know if you can just turn it on and pair it. Not really sure, we have to see. And cable, I didn't know that was included, so I purchased my own, but it gives it a little bit better look if you have purchased this coil cable. And yeah, so total cost, did I mention the cost on this? I don't think, but it was $60, and I had some discount on the shipping, so it wasn't too bad. So let's say for the parts themselves, it's $200 or just below maybe. So we can call it a below $200 build. And now I'm just gonna click those in place. As easy as that, no soldering required. And I think that this glorious brand charges $200 or something for this plug and play solution. I'm not sure what it's called. It's hot swappable or something like that is the terminology. But I call it plug and play for now, and let's see what it's actually called. But yeah, you just line them up and plug them in.